Umthetho wezokhetho ngendlela oyiyo njengamanje uthi umuntu ongenela ukhetho ngokuzimela kanye namaqembu asanda kusungulwa ukuze bancintisane okhethweni kufanele babe nesibalo esingu-15 wama% samavoti adingekayo ukuze ube nesihlalo ePhalamende nokufanele kube izicikico zabalandeli. Lesibalo silingana no-10 kuya ku-14,000 ukuze ungenele ukhetho ayesishayamthetho. Namhlanje abehluleli baqhubekile ngokuphosa imibuzo abameli bePhalamende ukuthi kungani isibalo esidingekayo sesivele saguquka sisuka ezicikicweni eziyinkulungwane.
1,000 signatures served a different purpose, and therefore it cannot be used as the basis on which to measure the reasonableness or otherwise of the contestation requirement.
I-IEC engacheme namuntu kulolu daba ichaze ngokuthi kuwumsebenzi wayo uqinisekisa ukulawula ngendlela efanele ukhetho. Kukhona ubude bephepha lokuvota ibe iqinisekisa nokuthi ongenela ukhetho noma iqembu elisha linokwesekwa ngokwanele ukuze lingenele ukhetho.
The requirement of 1,000 supporting signatures will not suffice, and you would require a higher level of proof of support. They're not talking of registration now, because registration doesn't come into play with independent candidates. Proof of support for participation, for contestation.
Uhambe emazweni ePhalamende umnyango wazasekhaya uthi abangenela ukhetho ngokuzimela kungenzeka ukuthi bagagamele uma bephosela inselelo lomthetho futhi abanabo nobufakazi ukweseka inselelo yabo.
There's no evidence that anyone tried to collect these signatures and failed or had any difficulty. There's no evidence even to say this is what I would envisage in doing in collecting the signatures, and I don't think I'll be able to because it's too expensive, too costly, too time. There's nothing, not a word.
Inkantolo isigodlile isinqumo ngalolu daba. Ezindabeni zethu kumzansi wethu ozilethelwa yi-Newsroom Africa Channel 405, ngikuziyanda Ngcobo ngibika ngise Braamfontein eGoli.